Hi everyone! In this Clickfunnels tutorial, I will show you how to add Apple Pay as a payment method on your funnel or in your store in Clickfunnels, so that you can offer more checkout options and make the checkout experience smoother for your users. If you don't have a Clickfunnels account yet, you can use the link in the description of this video to get an extended 30-day trial of Clickfunnels instead of a regular 14-day trial and receive our Clickfunnels course as a bonus. And now let's set up Apple Pay for your funnel or for your store in Clickfunnels. To add Apple Pay as a checkout option for your account, you need to do a few steps in the order that I will show you in the video. The first thing that we need to do is to authorize Apple Pay for the specific domain that you're using for your funnel or for your store. To do that, go to the Workspace settings, then navigate to Domains. First, make sure that your domain is successfully connected. You can see the status already on the page here. Then open the settings of the domain and click the button Authorize Apple Pay. If we now go back to the list of the domains, you will see that for this domain the status changed to Authorize in the Apple Pay column. Step number 2, we need to enable Apple Pay in the Workspace settings. We need to go to the General tab, then scroll to the Payments AI settings and toggle Apple Pay on. Update the Workspace to save the changes. If you want to use Apple Pay as a checkout option on your funnel, we need to enable it in the settings of the funnel. Go to the funnel where you want to add Apple Pay and open the settings of the funnel. Make sure that you see the Apple Pay button here and that it has gray background, which means it is activated. And last but not least, you need to activate Apple Pay for each page where you have a checkout element in this funnel. Let's start with the order form. We open the page in the page editor. Then go to the settings of the checkout element. Go to the payment method. Here you will see different checkout options with the credit card as a default one, and we need to activate Apple Pay. After that, we need to save the changes. If you have upsells and downsells in your funnel, you also need to activate Apple Pay for those pages. Apple Pay will automatically sync on the upsell and downsell pages after the initial checkout is processed using Apple Pay. If we now preview the page, we will see that I can select between the credit card and Apple Pay as a payment option. Before I show you how to enable Apple Pay for your store in Clickfunnels, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future tutorials. To enable Apple Pay as a checkout option for your store in Clickfunnels, make sure that your Workspace site domain is authorized for Apple Pay, because the store in Clickfunnels uses the same domain as your Workspace. After that, go to the store, Overview and click Customize Store. Then go to the product page. First, make sure that you have a checkout element on this page and then open the settings of the checkout element. And same way like we did it on the funnel, we go to the payment method and then make sure that the Apple Pay option is activated. Or if it's disabled, activate it and save the changes. That's all you need to do to add Apple Pay as a checkout option to your funnel or to your store in Clickfunnels to improve the checkout experience for your users. If this Clickfunnels tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future tutorials.